Hi grade 6 students, we meet again in mathematics class. This time we will discuss about percentage, fraction and decimal. We have ever discussed about these three topics one by one, but this time we focus how to convert percentage to fraction and decimal. Yeah, converting percentage to fraction and decimal. For example, write 18% and decimal as fraction, as decimal and as fraction into simplest form. So the meaning of simplest form here, I think only for the fraction. Okay, we'll do step by step. 18% means 18%. We know cent is 100. So 18% means 18 per 100 or 18 hundredths. So we'll write here 18% equal to 18 out of 100 or 18 per 100. So we will discuss now how to convert percentage to fraction. So we'll make it one by one. As I told you before that 18% equal to 18 out of 100 or 18 per 100. What must you do? Simplify the fraction by divide the numerator and denominator with their highest common factor. Numerator is 18 and 100 is denominator. So you must find the highest common factor of 18 and 100. Highest common factor or HCF of 18 and 100 is 2. We ever discuss about this, how to find HCF or LCM. After you got that the HCF of 18 and 100 is 2, you must divide them. So 18 as the numerator divide by 2 and 100 as denominator divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So the converting of percentage 18% to fraction is 9 out of 50. Now, the second one, how to convert percentage to decimal. 18%. You have to write dot, but don't change the value. The value must be same. After dot, you must write here 0. It is only a helping number. So just put dot and 0, not other number. Don't put 1, 2, 3 or etc. because the value will be different. After you write like this, what must you do is do jumping jack. Jumping jack, that you like you jump. This is only also same jumping. Because it is divide, you must move or jump the point, this point, to the left. Because divide, you must move or jump twice. Why twice? Because 100 has 2 zero. Once more, that you must jump to the left twice because 100 has 2 zero. So how you jump it? See this one. This point. Wait, I will see this. I will show you. This point will jump to the left. This once and jump again twice. So the next is the answer is 0.180. As I ever told you when you study about decimal, if there is zero at the end of the number, it doesn't have value. So you need to cross it out. So the answer will be 0.18. So it means what? It means that 18% is equal to 0.18. I continue. Okay, we make the second question. Write 550% as decimal and x fraction into simplest form. Wow, the number now is hundreds before only tens. So how to make it? The step will not be different. So remember that 550% is equal to 550% or per hundred or 550 hundredths. Okay, so you must like in division form. 550 divided by 100 or 550 out of 100. What's the next step? Yes. Because the numerator, remember that the numerator is 550. So numerator is 550 and denominator is 100. You can see from this number that the numerator or 550 is bigger than 100. So what must you do? Divide first. So 550 divided by 100. You'll get 5, you'll get 5 as is the question, is the quotient. You'll get 5 as the quotient of 500 divided by 550 divided by 100, and 50 is the remainder. I think you still remember how to divide this, right? Okay, so 550 divided by 100, you'll get 5 as the quotient and 50 as the remainder. Okay, so the mixed number of the result of 550 divided by 100 is 550 out of 100. The question say must be in the simplest form, and 550 and 100 is not simplest form. So what must you do? Simplify the fraction. Only solve the fraction, not the whole number, because 5 is the whole number. The fraction only 50 out of 100. So divide the numerator 50 and the denominator 100 with their highest common factor. So the highest common factor of 50 and 100 is 50. So because they divide, yeah, just divide them. 50 divided by 50 is 1. 100 divided by 50 is 2. So they got that the simplest form of 50 and 100 is 1 out of 2. So the simplest form of conversion percentage into fraction of 550% is, yes, 5 1 out of 2. So this is the answer. This is the final answer. Okay, I hope you can understand about this. Now, how to convert the 550% into decimal? Same way, because there is no point here, you must create a point, a dot. But remember, to make the value is same, please put 0 after the point or after the dot. And then, same like the previous number, do jumping jack. Move the point to the left. Why to the left? Because per 100 divide by 100. Why twice? Because 100 has 2 0. Okay, because 100 has 2 0. That's the reason. We continue. I'll have make here it has space. So 550.0%. We do jumping jack once and twice. So it means that the point stop here. So the result will be 5.500. As I told you before, that if there is 0 in the last number after the point, you just cross them out because they has no value anymore. So 550% is equal to 5.5. Okay? If you have question, you may ask me in the class when we meet again. But if you keep review and review this video, you will understand. Thank you for listening and good luck.